Top 5 apps like Mcgiftgiftcardmallcom review that actually work today. Mcgiftgiftcardmallcom offers gift cards, but most people get this wrong by trusting unverified sources. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide legitimate, instant gift cards with secure delivery. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Raise. Buy and sell verified gift cards. Users love guaranteed delivery and secure transactions. Second, Gift Card Granny. Tracks gift card deals across multiple vendors. Customers highlight verified cards and cashback offers. Third, Gift. Allows mobile gift card purchases and storage. Users appreciate instant delivery and verified merchants. Fourth, Mcgifter. Combines gift cards with social gifting options. App users report reliable delivery and verified cards. Finally, Card Cash. Offers discounted gift cards with secure verification. Users praise safe purchases and customer support. Pro tip: always verify the seller and check reviews before purchasing digital cards. This ensures you avoid scams. These 5 apps make buying, sending, and managing gift cards easy, safe, and reliable.